In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file in Replit project. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can quickly create new files in your project and keep your work organized. First, open your Replit app or the specific project you're working on. Make sure you're inside the project workspace so you can see your code editor. This is the main area where you'll be writing and managing your files. Give it a second to load if your project is large, and confirm you're in the correct project before moving on. Next, look toward the top right of the interface for the pane icon that opens the Files pane on the right side. This icon is what toggles the Files panel into view. When you click it, the Files pane will slide open on the right and show a list of the files and folders currently in your project. If it was already open, you'll simply see the full tree of your project's contents there. With the Files pane visible, focus on the top of that pane. You'll see a button or icon labeled New File, often represented by a small page with a plus sign. Click that New File icon. This is the control that creates a fresh, empty file right inside your project, and it places the file in whichever folder is currently selected in the pane. Now name the file. Type the full name, including the correct extension for what you're creating. For example, use .py for Python files, .js for JavaScript, .html for HTML, or .md for Markdown. Keep names simple and clear. Avoid spaces if possible, and use dashes or underscores instead. Be mindful that some systems are case sensitive, so staying consistent with lowercase names is a good habit. Once the name is set, you'll see the new file appear in the list. Click on it to open it in the editor, and you're ready to start writing code or adding content right away. That's all there is to it. Opening your project, revealing the Files pane from the top right, clicking the New File icon, and giving your file a clear, correct name is the cleanest path to adding files in Replit. If you ever hide the Files pane by accident, just use the same pane icon to bring it back. And as you continue working, consistent naming and proper extensions will make your project easier to navigate and run. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Replit.